Welcome back to my channel, my loves. It's your girl Shayla Apri. This here is a vlog of me getting my first set of individual lashes. My cousin talked me into this mess this past week for New Year's. So if you guys want to see it, here it goes.
Oh Lord, Cindy's.
With burn. If you can do it, okay, we could burn.
Okay, go ahead.
You better.
My eyes are sensitive. I'm sorry. Okay, go ahead.
Your eye sensitive?
No. Like, you know what I mean? Like people being on your eye. I'm gonna try not to blink. Just look down, right?
Yep.
Here you go.
There you go,
That
sis.
one long. Hey, long, no. That one long. I don't know if I do too long. That one long for you.
Oh, that was the long?
Yeah.
Oh, that is. I need longer than that.
Oh, too
Oh shit,
long.
hold on.
Make sure, okay? Get burn, okay? Some people burn a lot, some people not a lot. I don't know.
Did you get your eyebrows tattooed on, Sin?
Eyebrow, eyeliner, everything.
Ooh,
She's struggling,
this
baby.
is hard.
You sure you want to do?
Go ahead.
You sure?
Yeah, go ahead now.
I can't take out when I done.
No,
I
come
can't.
on, come
I
on.
can't take
Don't
off,
talk,
okay?
just do it.
I tell you first, I can't take out. When I done, I can't take out. Not easy to take
You're
out.
fast. You gonna put lashes on tomorrow, Sin? Or you gonna wear lashes?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I have mine.
You wear these individuals or strips?
No, I have my real.
No. I don't got no eyelashes because I wear fake ones all the time.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm trying not to. My eyes watering though.
Look now, don't move nothing.
She's almost done that eye.
Move a lot more.
I'm sorry.
Okay. You pull for me?
Am I touching it? Right here? Oh Lord. Oh my God.
You okay?
Shit. Am I leaking? I feel like my eyes watering.
You already got your contacts in.
Yeah, that's why it's fucking me up.
Chuột con liếm về cái tay cho ba nghe con Quynh. Quynh. Là chuột liếm về cái tay cho ba nghe.
Ooh.
You okay?
You're doing better with this second eye, though.
Yes, if I didn't have to hold this one, it would be great. I should have
because,
did that one first.
You don't move, the better for you. You move, it hurt so bad.
I should have did this eye first.
You look down, you don't move, better. You move, hurt so bad for you. Only one way better.
Yeah, that must be your sensitive eye, that one over there.
It is.
I was gonna say, cause this
That's
eye
why I
is,
should have did this first.
Phải là tiếng hai đứa này nghe con.
cause this eye ain't red or nothing.
You know.
And she's doing it way faster.
Làm được này với con này cũng làm luôn.
Almost.
Almost done. That's good. You good.
Don't
Don't
make me
laugh.
laugh.
Don't
Don't
laugh.
make me laugh.
Okay. Don't make you laugh.
Yeah, my other eye is super sensitive.
All right. You almost
This
done. Yeah, 5 minutes, okay? Hold 5
Oh,
minutes.
Lord. Cindy, I'm trusting you.
Thank you so much.
Fucking jerk.
Y'all, I don't even got time for no filter right now. Y'all with these lashes, I cannot. Like, they look cute, but Lord, the cost of beauty. I don't know how y'all do lashes every day. There ain't no goddamn way. This is a one-time only joint. Okay?